Hello everyone, welcome to Team Levelers channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to check how much time you have played any game in Apex Launcher. So if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button. Check total gameplay time. Open Apex Launcher. To library, and here if you click on these three dots, and it is showing that how much time you have played any game. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then hit like button and also subscribe channel. Thank you for watching.